In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Brevo, a comprehensive platform that can help you manage your marketing campaigns with ease. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, Brevo offers a range of tools to enhance your marketing strategy. So let's dive right in and set up your Brevo account. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to brevo.com. This is where the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, you have two options. You can either sign up for a new account if you're just joining the Brevo community, or log in if you already have an account. Signing up is straightforward and requires only a few basic details like your email address and a password. And remember, keeping your login credentials secure is essential, so choose a strong password that you haven't used elsewhere. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now, let's move on to the CRM, or Customer Relationship Management section. This is your central hub for managing contacts. Click on the CRM tab and then select Contacts. Here, you can see a list of all your existing contacts. If you're just starting out, the list might be empty, but don't worry, importing contacts is a breeze. To import contacts, simply click the Import Contacts button. You can upload a file with your contacts directly from your computer. Brevo supports various file formats, so check which one you have and upload it accordingly. It's important to ensure that your contact data is clean and well organized before uploading it to avoid any errors. Once you've uploaded your contacts, they will be available in your CRM for easy access and management. With your contacts in place, let's shift our focus to marketing. Click on the Marketing tab, then select Campaigns. This section allows you to manage your marketing campaigns seamlessly. Here, you can click on Email to create a new email campaign. Email campaigns are a powerful way to reach your audience directly, and Brevo provides a variety of templates and customization options to make your emails stand out. To create an email campaign, click on the Create Campaign button. You'll be guided through a series of steps where you can choose your recipients, craft your message, and design your email. Take advantage of Brevo's drag-and-drop editor to customize your email design without needing any coding skills. Once you're satisfied with your email, review all the details and schedule it for sending or send it immediately. Finally, Brevo offers automation features that can save you a lot of time and effort. By clicking on Automations, you can set up automated workflows that trigger actions based on specific conditions, such as sending a welcome email when someone signs up for your newsletter. Automations are perfect for nurturing leads and keeping your audience engaged without manual intervention. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up Brevo and are ready to start managing your marketing efforts more effectively. Remember, the key to a successful marketing strategy is consistency and engagement, so make the most of Brevo's features to connect with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.